Welcome to my review of Level Money, the personal finance app that aims to make budgeting effortless. In this video, I'll take you through the entire user experience, from downloading the app to setting up your financial goals and tracking daily spending. When you first open Level Money, you'll notice its clean and intuitive interface. The app categorizes your spending into three main sections: income, recurring expenses, and flexible spending. This makes it easy to visualize how much money you have left to spend each month. Setting up the app is straightforward. After linking your bank account securely, Level Money automatically pulls in your transactions and begins categorizing them. You can manually adjust categories to better reflect your spending habits, ensuring accurate budget tracking. One of the standout features is the Spendable view, which shows you how much you can spend daily without exceeding your monthly budget. The app provides a daily breakdown of spending, making it simple to identify areas where you might be overspending. Another feature I found useful is the ability to set savings goals. Level Money helps you allocate funds toward these goals by adjusting your daily spendable amount accordingly. The Insights tab offers valuable information, such as spending trends over weeks or months, helping you better understand your financial behavior. Throughout my use of Level Money, I appreciated how smoothly the app operates and its minimalistic design, which avoids overwhelming users with too much information at once. One limitation to note is that it lacks some advanced budgeting features, such as customizable budget categories or detailed financial planning tools, which more experienced budgeters might find helpful. However, for those seeking a simple, user-friendly app to get started with budgeting, Level Money is an excellent choice. If you're looking to gain control over your spending and make smarter financial decisions, Level Money provides a clear, no-nonsense way to start. Its automated transaction tracking, easy setup process, and visually appealing interface make it a strong contender in the world of personal finance apps. Thank you for watching this review of Level Money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of personal finance tools.